Alright, welcome to this tutorial where we'll be learning how to solve simple equation. And we're going to take a very simple example and then we'll take it step by step and then we'll see how to arrive at the final solution. For example, we are given 2x plus 4 is equals to 6. Now, one of the first things to consider in solving simple equation as such is to check what you are asked to find. Of course, you know that we'll be finding x in this equation, but how do we end up finding x in this equation? But one thing I've learned is what you try to do is to check the right hand side and the left hand side of the equation and see in which of these sides does what you are asking for lies. Is it at the left hand side or at the right hand side? But in this equation we have what we are looking for, x, at the right hand side of the equation. So at the right hand side of the equation we have at the left hand side of the equation rather we have 2x plus 4, isn't it? But check also what are the signs that, or what is the sign that what you are looking for is carrying. Is it positive or negative? Well, of course here we have positive because it's positive 2x plus 2 plus 4 rather, which is equals to 6 from the equation. Then in so doing we'll now have to consider taking away the value we don't need to the other side of the equation in order that we may have what we are looking for at the other side of the equation. So we can decide to have it at the right hand side or at the left hand side. And what I'm simply saying is that let's say we have 2x is equals to 6 minus 4. The reason why we have minus here is because this positive 4, when you take it to the other side of the equation, the positive sign becomes negative. And so we're now left with 2x is equals to 2 because 6 minus 4 is 2. Now we still have positive 2x is equals to positive 2, isn't it? The next thing to do is divide both sides by 2. So we have 2x divided by 2 is equals to 2 all over 2. Alright, so we have 2 will cancel 2. And then 2 here, we left with 1, isn't it? 1 all over 1, which is equals to 1. So we have x is equals to 1. Okay, so if it is so, then let's take another example, or rather the same equation with different signs, and let's see how it works. For instance, now we have negative 2x plus 4 is equals to 6. You see, this is quite different from this. Here we have positive 2x, here we have negative 2x. Now applying the same principle, or the same principle rather, we have negative 2x is equals to 6 minus 4. That's pretty good, right? So 6 minus 4 is still 2, so we have negative 2x is equals to 2. Now we still divide both sides by negative 2, so minus 2x all over minus 2 is equals to 2 all over minus 2. When you cancel all through, you'll be left with x is equals to minus 1. Now this is how to arrive at your solution if you're given a simple equations like this. It is pretty simple and straightforward. Just take note of the signs, what is the sign of what you are looking for carrying and the rest, and then go on to solve. Taking note of the sign is very, very important. Any mistake in signs will give you a wrong result. I hope you enjoy this, or you like this rather. If you do, please share this video to your friends and to your colleagues. It will help a lot, and please subscribe also and watch out for my next video. Thank you very much.